Most Canon users are not aware of this button, and that's the info button. If you're not aware of it, I guarantee you've probably pressed it by accident and have gotten stuck. You can see on my LCD screen I've got a lot of settings. But if I press the info button, and it will go to the next screen, and it has a picture of my guitar. You can see I'm in manual mode, a few settings along the bottom. Hit info again, I get additional settings on the right, additional settings on the left. If I hit the info button again, it turns on a level for me, and I have a histogram at the top. If I hit info again, it is just a nice clean photo. That might be what you're looking for. If I press it again, I am back to where I was at the beginning. So you're probably wondering, well, how can I adjust that? Can I make it so it only has one screen? And yes, you can. So let's turn on our menu. Let's look here. This is a Canon R5. Canon R6 also has it, and I'm sure the R7 and probably, I don't know if the T8 and T7i have it or not, but check it out. So I'm on my first menu item in my menu, which is a photo of the camera, or the icon of a camera. If I go over to the 7th setting, in this case, the 7th menu underneath the camera, if I come all the way down at the bottom here, there is shooting info display. So there's a couple things we're going to talk about. And let's do a little sidetrack here. I've got a grid display of 3x3. By default, that will be off when you first buy your camera. If I go down here and leave that on, that gives me the 3x3 grid to help me with the rule of thirds. Totally different topic. So let's go up to the top here for screen info settings. If I select that, you can see I have 6 options. So a couple things you want to pay attention to here. You can see it says press info to edit. If I hit info, I can turn things on and off that I want for this display. Let's say I just want that. This one gives me a few extra settings, but let's clean that up a little bit and just one setting. You can see here it kind of gives you an idea where it's going to show up, so you can see what it is. So once you've selected what you want there, you click OK. The check mark means it's going to be in the rotation. If I shut that off, that will not be in my rotation when I hit the info button. But let's pay attention to this info edit screen. It's on for number 1, number 2, number 3, and it's not on for number 4. It's not on for number 5, and it's not on for number 6. So 4, 5, and 6 for my camera are not able to be edited. I can turn them on and off, but that's all I can do. So this one is just a blank screen, like I said before, when you shut off all the menu items. This one is the back screen of what different settings you happen to have set. And that's a real common one that's usually turned on for everybody. Once you have edited each one, turned on and off the ones you want on and off, press OK. And then hit the menu, go back to the menu again, and now we are back here. If I hit the info button, you can see we can cycle through each one. If you're getting value out of this, hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I made this video because many people have asked on different forums, YouTube channels, I am stuck on the screen. I used to see the image I'm taking a photo of. How do I get it back? It's just press the info button continuously until you get to the screen that you want. If you only want one, I have shown you how to edit them and how to turn off the extra screens. This is Doug Gabbard practicing photography, getting better one photo at a time.